Want to share any website with just one scan? Google can generate a QR code for any website in seconds, and it's completely free. Here's how. Open Google Chrome and visit the website you want to share. For example, here I'm open openai.com. Click the share icon in the address bar. If you don't see it, right click anywhere on the page and choose create QR code for this page. Chrome instantly generate QR code for that website. Click to download and save as a PNG. Now open your phone's camera and scan the QR code. As you can see, the website opens instantly without typing the web address. You can add this QR code to business card, flyers, presentations, posters, restaurant menus, and product packaging, or even your YouTube channel to help people open your website with a single scan. That's it. That's how you can generate QR code for any website using Google Chrome for free. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Hello Helper, and I will see you in the next quick tutorial. Stay tuned.